Where are we?
The biggest mall in Asia.
Dito, baba sa ano.
Ma'am, I have to take a picture for the biggest mall in Asia.
Okay, later na lang. We have time to out tomorrow. Dito. Baba. Oh, Machan, Hana, picture here. Here. Just stay here, here. Just wait. A pretty face, smile.
I haven't had a drink in like 7 hours.
No.
Yeah?
Hmm.
I haven't had a drink in 7 hours.
You haven't drank for 7 hours?
Yeah.
Kaliwa yata mami dito.
So we didn't get the drink as what? Okay.
Hmm. Ito pa ang tanongin natin. Excuse me, saan yung Mang Inasal? Sa labas pala. Salamat. The big dog, the biggest dog in the world. Visit kami di bawah.
I'm thirsty.
Hindi pa. Nagpapa-register pa kami. Uy pa, ano kami? Pa-register kami ng